Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a homemade crispy potato chips. And here I prepared 3 medium size of potatoes.
I can't wait to taste the crispy potato chips that you're going to do, Mom. They're one of my favorites.
Okay there, then let's get started. Let's peel our potatoes using our peeler. Now let's peel the rest. Done peeling, now let's wash. Let's slice our potato. If you don't have a mandil slicer, you can use peeler as a slicer or a knife, but slice it into thin slice like this. And you slice into like a paper thin slice. Now let's slice this. Peeler will work in making our potato chips. Let's slice the rest. See how easy it is using our peeler. Done slicing our potato. Now let's wash. Done washing and remove some starch. Now let's add a teaspoon of salt and add water and soak it for about 15 to 20 minutes to remove more starch. And after 20 minutes, let's wash and drain our soaked potato. After washing, let the water drain. In the remaining water, the potato. And our potato is ready to fry. With our preheated oil, let's fry our potato. Fry it into medium heat. Now it starts to turn to darker color. Let's shake it. Give it a little bit more. Now it's ready to remove them from the oil. Some of them are burned. I can feel the crispiness. Now, put it in the drying paper. After removing all, let's put another batch of potato. Spread it. Same procedure as we did. Not overload our frying pan. That's enough. And the second batch also done. Let's remove it from the oil and add to the first one. And our crispy potato recipe are done. See how crispy it is? Now, let's sprinkle some salt. Sprinkle some salt. And let's shake. Our homemade crispy potato are done and ready to serve. Now, let's put it in a serving plate.
These look so delicious. I can't wait to take a bite. Wait, what am I waiting for? I can't take a bite. Take a bite. These are so crispy and delicious. I want more.
Mm-hmm.